Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a comment in Todoist project on iPhone. Todoist allows you to add comments so you can leave notes, instruction updates or reminders inside a project or task, and this is especially useful when you're managing multiple tasks or collaborating with others. So let's get started. First you need to open to the Todoist app on your iPhone and make sure you're logged into your account already. And after, you can also open any of the project over here, or you can simply tap on the top right corner of the three dot icon. Over here you can find the comment in the top section right over here, and on the bottom there's an option to comment. You can simply comment. So over here you can comment, and with comments you can add extra instruction, leave progress updates, share information with collaborators, keep notes without cluttering the task title, and the all comments stay attached to the task in the project. And that's it. That's how you can add a comment in a Todoist project on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and if you have any trouble or queries, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.